Hello everyone. Today I am gonna talk about SharePoint Metadata Capture add-on for Dynamics by Solution. Let me just tell you a short bit about it. SharePoint is an awesome content management software from Microsoft, and Dynamics, of course, a complete business platform which includes CRM, sales, marketing, HR, and so on. Let me just tell you, SharePoint integration with the Dynamics is out of the box features available and you get with Dynamics. So what does that mean? That if you are using Dynamics, you have a license for a SharePoint. Microsoft gives you the ability to direct integration with Dynamics without the need of any external tool. There are so many features available, but just to give you a highlight that it makes you easy to store all your files, media, images, videos, and others that are your on SharePoint directories, while ensuring that you have integrated your security so there is no risk of data loss. Of course, one of the key features of SharePoint is enterprise search capabilities. All these good things. There are so many things that you have with Dynamics. You should make sure that you are using SharePoint with it. But there is one major problem. They don't give you the option to capture the custom metadata. Do you guys really know what is exactly custom metadata? With the all good features, really important to highlight one missing feature, why you don't have a custom metadata capture. Just take it from beginning. What exactly metadata? Data about data. What does that mean? It is basically enrich your data. By data, here I mean your files. Enriching your files to make it so informative without opening it. You know all the relative information about it. What does that mean? You created a file like any file, notepad, document, anything. Every file has some standard metadata, which varies from file to file type. But in every category, there has some basic information, just like created on, author, file type, and so on. Now, I'm talking about custom metadata, which is purpose suited. Let's let let's take an example. On 1st January, I created one invoice, which is currently in a draft state. In this sentence, let's see what are the information I'll give. That the date of creation is a standard metadata, which I created on 1st January. But this is an invoice, right? There is no file type for an invoice. It could be a Word, PDF, Excel, anything. And also its status. Typically, when you don't have custom metadata attached to it, then I have to open that file and identify what exactly are those details. As you can see on my screen, the date of creation is a standard metadata, but the draft status is a custom metadata. Now, why I'm talking about this? Typically, as time grows and progress, the volume of data increases. As data grows, it becomes more difficult to manage a file purely on the basis of standard metadata. And that is where custom metadata plays a vital role. Just take an example. You have a customer with whom you have been working from last 5 years, and you have to find all his order and invoice details. So if you have a custom metadata stating with it, you can easily filter and find the details of that file. In fact, I should highlight that market is a full of content management service software, but what makes SharePoint stand out and it's become the market leader was the ability to capture, search the filter of the custom metadata. So I hope that it clearly clarify to you what is metadata and what is relevance of custom metadata. Okay, so it's clear that you have a SharePoint metadata and you have an option for custom metadata tags for a single file, but also have Dynamics, which is not able to track and update the meta tags. So that's the problem. How do you fix this problem? Well, this is the agenda of this session. What we have talked about this add-on by solution, which is called SharePoint Metadata Capture add-on. Now, this add-on is super fully lightweight with plug and play feature, which means you can take any 365 platform of Dynamics by simply deploying and using it. And there are so many good features I'm gonna talk about. Let's take a look at typically default integration with the Dynamics and SharePoint. You have a default site, and you will get this list of standard meta tags, as you can see on my screen. But if you take this add-on, you have a much more refined view and much better level of control. You can see it on my screen. You have a structure-based folder on the name of customer. You have the option navigating and opening it from a different location, refreshing screen, and one of the most important features. May it sound simple, but as a user, I can tell you, it gives you the ability to upload multiple files with all the meta tags. This is typically one scenario where we add a couple of meta tags. As you can see on my screen, name, account type, approver is a custom metadata, document expiry, custom meta tag, department, and so on. As you can see, custom meta tags, once you have the information, you can see it, you can approve it, you can process it, and much more in automation. Respecting with the duration of time, I'm gonna tell you that you guys should try it so you can utilize your full potential and all the things you can do with SharePoint, working with the Dynamics. Know more about it, please visit our URL, or in a case you guys wanna try hands-on or want try a demo, just drop an email at solves@solvesit.com. And if you like this one, you love other more also. Solution comes with complete package of different productivity escalator add-ons, which you find on our website. So please reach out. Thank you.